Hey, today's video will discuss getting a free iPhone for students. That's right, a free iPhone. This is a great opportunity for students to get their hands on a brand new iPhone without spending a dime. If you're a student or know a student who would be interested in this, watch this video all the way through. There are a few different ways that students can get a free iPhone. One way is through their school. Many schools offer programs that provide students with free or discounted iPhones. To see if your school offers such a program, check with your IT department or financial aid office. Another way students can get a free iPhone is through cell phone carriers. Some carriers offer special programs to students that include free or discounted iPhones. To see if your carrier offers such a program, visit their website or call their customer service line. Finally, students can get a free iPhone by winning a contest or giveaway. Many different companies and organizations run contests and giveaways for students. To learn about upcoming contests and giveaways, follow your favorite brands on social media and subscribe to their email lists. So, there you have it. Those are a few different ways that students can get a free iPhone. If you're a student or know a student who would be interested in this, check out the resources I mentioned in the video description below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. Thanks for watching.